With businesses becoming increasingly dependent on cloud computing, it came as no surprise when the popular QuickBooks software got a cloud-based variant, namely QuickBooks Online. The desktop version of the software can also be installed on third-party hosting networks, giving the software some additional features. Here's a deeper look at the main differences between the two versions and the areas in which they excel. Accessibility. QuickBooks Online can be accessed through a web browser, while hosted QuickBooks are accessible through a desktop icon. Technical support. While the developers offer tech support for QuickBooks Online, their timings are limited. Hosted QuickBooks, on the other hand, gets 24/7 tech support thanks to the third-party provider. Customization. Unlike QuickBooks Online, hosted QuickBooks support additional application hosting and shares the same UI as the desktop version. In short, QuickBooks hosting provides a solution that's more suitable for small businesses, accountants, and CPAs who are looking to increase the speed and efficiency of their financial processes. If you are looking for a reliable QuickBooks hosting service provider with fully managed and dedicated servers, reach out to GoToMyERP. For questions and details, call 877-888-5525 or visit www.gotomyerp.com.